Polaris is about fueling the adventure of the outdoors for our riders. We strive to produce awesome products, help our riders with the best experiences, and basically delight our customers with our vehicles.
Polaris has done a great deal to integrate technology into the entire ownership experience of a vehicle and how you can interact with the web to do your shopping, to us managing that data through the early part of the product development process, and then introduce that data to engineering and to new product development all the way through end of life.
The work that we're partnered with PTC is aimed at providing the right products and the right experiences for our customers and doing it in a fast, efficient, and safe manner. We're able to increase the speed of our decisions, increase the speed of our designs and our validation, and ultimately bring new products to market faster.
From our module structure to our service tools, to our work instructions, to our configurator tools, all of this should enable that extra connection to the consumer and making that vehicle specific to them.
The idea of connecting the CAD data from the design to the manufacturing BOMs for how we're going to build it into a service BOM, connecting all three of those in Windchill is going to greatly automate this process.
We're using connected data from our factories, helping us make sure that we understand exactly how our vehicles were built. We're using data from our dealers and from our field to understand how are our riders using our vehicles. We're starting to work with augmented reality. We're starting to work with data analytics, helping us to make decisions.
The idea of a connected vehicle where we can get information from the customer in real time, if they're willing to share it, is a fantastic thing. We look at vehicle performance, we look at vehicle attributes, we look at how often they interact with different parts of the vehicle. It affects maintenance cycles, or it can also tell something's about to go wrong.
The whole point of that is to be able to make the consumer able to make and pick and drive and experience the products in the best way possible. The safest, the most durable, and the most personalized product that we can make it for them. That's the connection we're going after. And our digital transformation must happen in order for us to get that full level of experience to the consumer.